Viral news. Good afternoon, my viewers and subscribers. My people, me have some news to bring to you. Now, first of all, we are going to talk about a US man who supply information to Jamaican scammer. This man got over 10 years in prison. Papa Jesus. My viewers, want to hear that? So this man supply information, valid information to some people, some very vulnerable people. This man I make money off fight my people. He might rich off of this. Just to assist the scammer them. And them give him 10 years, my people. What is your opinion on that? Because I feel them get more year than that, you know. I feel them boy if get more year than that. Because you have some of them youth, you know. Them now want to work, you know, man. Them a big top man, you know. By the richest car, you know. And just sit down for them yard, you know. And when a phone call come in, and them make a phone call, billions of dollars come in on people. I saw them youth want to live nowadays, you know. Yes, man. I saw them want to live. No man no want in hard work, you know. No man no want to take up no shovel or a broom or nothing at all, you know. I do a 95 and my people. I be a lazy man around the world, you know. No man must live so. You see me? So US man who made million supplying victim list to Jamaican scammer jailed. A North Carolina man was reportedly supplied personal information of millions of elderly American to Jamaican lottery scammers has been sentenced to over 10 years in prison in the United States. 57-year-old Troy Murray was sentenced after pleading guilty in January to conspiracy to commit wire fraud. When you hear that, my people, them man na ramp. Them man na ramp, my people. I swear. You so much money, them. Hey, actually, you don't even know, people. Actually, you don't even know. Just imagine this. You're 57-year-old, and look what you do. Supply information to Jamaicans. And you know we stay, you know. You know we corrupt and when you like work, somehow, you know. You know how much old people get scammed, my people? You know how much money them boy make? You know how much people them boy make lose them life? You know how much war start because of the whole scamming thing, my people? Me no support scamming. The boy must not chat no compound ends and talk about him a top man. Youth, you're not top man. When you're a top man, you work for your own. And someone about 5-6 girl wanna clown up because woman no man have money, so she them amongst him. You see me? So when they support certain things, my viewers and subscribers, them boy if you get more than them time in a prison. A wicked this. The man supply whole information and things if just to feel benefit. And I make crazy money for this, people. Crazy money, you know. Lord God Almighty. My viewers, want to tell me an opinion down below. Let me know what you guys think about this one here. I want to know what you think about that one here. Come here, tell the people. This thing set away right now. It's set away. For the youths them nowadays now. The youths them nowadays, them lose it. Them want man mind them. Yes, man, them want man take care of them. You see me? Now you now want to come out and say, yo, you know, someone want to come out to something good. Man want to live a lavish lifestyle. He want to have a 2-3 car and all these things and buy beer gun and thing and mash up the community. You see me? Now we're going to move on, people. We're going to have Greenwich Farm where the police them find an AR-15 rifle in that Greenwich Farm. And I joked in this, people. You hear that? An AR-15 and dozen rounds of ammunition were seized by police during a targeted operation in Greenwich Farm, Kingston 13, early today. Police assigned to the St. Andrew South Criminal Investigation, Bradley reportedly recovered the high-powered weapon with 31 rounds of ammunition and 2 magazines on an open lot along 7th Street in the volatile community. No arrests were made in connection with the seizure. Investigation are continuing as police probe who may have hidden the deadly weapon catch. You see me? Now, my viewers, we know a thing going on. most of we know how thing going and get to, you know. You see, once they see them thing and go down, as somebody inform, as somebody call and say, hey, this a go on. You get me I say? So, when I have sense, Jamaican me I talk to. Probably a couple people from Canada, England, now I know what I talk about. If you're not a Jamaican. When you see them thing and go down, people, as somebody inform, somebody chat. You see me? Somebody say, yo, this a go on and inform people. This is not a joke thing. Be an informing and go on people. You see me? But the greatest thing, this is a weapon gone off of the street right now, people. Gone off of the street. So that means that wait again, viewers. This weapon would have probably hurt somebody. No, it not hurt nobody now, my people. You see me, people can sleep at them bed cool and nice right about now, people. Although they never can see if down in the ghetto there. You see me? So when you tell me what you think about this, my viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think about this. It's a weapon seizure, yeah. Make me know from the face of the people them inform. Now we are move on, my viewers. Guys, remember that face, yeah? That man, yeah, the guy will come out and send threat to Stella Morris and all kind of different things and talk about what I want people to do. Up to now, the police them can't find him. You see me? So suspect in viral video sought authorities appeal for public help. So right about now, people, right about now, the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, and the Jamaican Conservative Force are tonight issuing an urgent appeal. So people, they want help. Urgent appeal for help in locating a suspect. The appeal follows a video of a mass male threatening to unalive multiple people, including women said to have connection to the Catholic Church. In the recording, he issued earth of borrowing money from a criminal mastermind and warns of violence if the debt is not repaid, while brandishing what appeared to be a firearm. Authorities stress that this threat is serious and must be addressed quickly. They are calling on the public to help identify or locate the suspect before the situation escalates. MOCA and the JCF emphasize that even the smallest detail could make a difference. Anyone with information is urged to share with the nearest police station. Dial the 119 emergency number or contact MOCA at 906-5848. Now, my viewers and subscribers, we are going to move on. We are 75-year-old woman dies in a crash in Hanover, my people. Jaja, and her husband has been hospitalized, my people. Now, this sound serious. Grandma drop out. Jaja. Grandma did not make it, my viewers and my subscribers. People, sad. You see me? It hurt. For no, so grandma lose her 3 pints for people. I swear. Oh my gosh. Grandma, R.I.P. R.I.P. to grandma. It's sad. A 75-year-old woman has died following a motor vehicle crash on the Culps Main Road in Anova on Friday. The deceased have been identified as Sonia Fraser, a resident of the community. You see me? I swear my people. It's sad. And drivers on the road, be careful, when you're driving. Be careful and cutting the speed no phone, No fun to drive too fast, I swear, no fun to drive too fast. You have to take time and drive, brother. And the right way to do things. You see me? And have to also be careful of them madman that drive on the road. Be careful of some of them boy we broke ass stoplight and do all kind of things on the road. Be careful of them mad driver there. You see me? Can I see it there? Grandma drop out. And I not say husband that drive too fast. Anything at all could have been the case of this accident. But it just looks sad, yo. I don't like to see when all people drop out my viewers and subscribers. I don't like to see it, my people, but you know what? Only God he knows. Only God he knows why grandma drop out. John no star. Grandma live enough life still. 75-year-old. I swear, my people. So, I want to leave an honest opinion down below. Let me know what you guys think about all these stories that I covered. You see me? I just tell me what to think about it, people. But right now, it's a bitter time for grandma. So RIP to grandma funeral. I mean, RIP to grandma family. It's RIP to grandma. And, you know, big up to our family, them, and wish them nothing but the best in, you know what I say? We know it's gonna be a very devastating thing for them here. So them loved one, you know, drop out my people. And there's something where you want to hear about this. None at all. The car mash up my people. The car front mash up, the windscreen crack out. You see me? And all kind of things. You get me? But yo, only God he knows why I'm come for grandma. Only God alone knows why this reach grandma. And you know, I swear we're gonna talk about a man who get caught up in a waterhouse last night, people. And we're gonna talk about a man who get caught up in a rock fort. Two of them we're gonna talk about, my people. So we're gonna provide more details about this, but we get to understand say a man get caught up somewhere in a waterhouse last night and somebody drop out down a rock fort. We'll pick up some can with people. So as I said, we're gonna provide more details to them two story there. So just tune in, like and share. Forward next time. Leave an honest opinion down below. I'm out. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Like and share, like and share, like and share. You see me? Big up every time. Big up every time. I'm out. I'm out, people. Gone.